Morning, guys. Will Ritter here for Ritter Mobile Welding. It is Wednesday, December 29th at 9 o'clock. I'm on my way to Pawtucket, Rhode Island for a handrail repair job. A property management company got in contact with me, and from the pictures that was sent, handrail on a multifamily came out of the concrete. So I'll be doing a little bit of concrete work, not too major, and just fixing the handrail that popped off on them. Well, there you have it. Installed, repaired, hydraulic patched in. It's a little more frustrating than originally thought, but got it done. So now all I have to do is just submit the invoice, let the customer know that it's done. I'm good to go. Well, there you have it, guys. Start around 9:45, wrapped up, cleaned up, invoice sent out. It's now 12:50. Only billed for the 2 hours that originally quoted. Not a bad job. As you can see, quite a little concrete work. Nothing too major. So, invoice is submitted. Get in contact with the property manager in a little bit to follow up. On to the next one. Remember, guys, like, subscribe, share, follow, do whatever, spread the word. Help the channel out a great deal. So you have a good day.